One of the many reasons why narcissistic abuse is so pervasive is that a narcissist does not only abuse you verbally but also non-verbally. How? Through their condescending, belittling, humiliating and dehumanizing body language. Let's watch a small video clip together and let's try to understand how they put you down through their different facial expressions. A narcissist can make you feel like dirt literally within seconds through their demeaning facial expressions, mainly using their eyes and mouth. Do you agree with me and do you resonate with any of the expressions I demonstrated in the last video clip? If yes, drop your answers in the comments below. I am Danish, a psychologist and a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. Let's expand on each facial expression in depth in this episode. Number 1. The side-eye demeaning look. When a narcissist has to put you down, when they have to make you feel insignificant and fill you with shame, they give you a side-eye look. They look at you through the corner of their eye and it goes up and down, making you feel unworthy instantly. This works a lot in a parent-child dynamic, where the parent is a narcissist and the child completely depends on their relationship with the parent for feedback. This side-eye demeaning look of a narcissist serves as an instant command to do better. And they're kind of telling you, I'm displeased with whatever you are doing right now or whatever you have done or whatever you are saying. You need to perform better, or whatever it is that you're trying to do is not good enough. You are not good enough. Don't you ever try to face me because you're nothing before me. This is how they put you down. Not only in your mind, they put you down in their mind as well. This is how they cast an illusion for themselves. This look is also given by a narcissist to send a cryptic yet subtle message across. My eyes are on you, or you are about to get punished. Be prepared for the abandonment and the neglect you are going to experience next. Don't act smart. Don't act like you know more than me, because I know what you are. It's like they drain all your self-confidence in the moment when they give you this side-eye look. Look number 2, when they clench their jaw, furrow their eyebrows in, and bulge their eyes out as if they are filled with rage and about to finish you off. It may look like this. And it's one of the most horrifying thing to deal with, because it terrifies you to your core, especially if you are a child dealing with such a monstrous parent. How do I know this? Well, my father is a malignant narcissist, as you might already know from my other episodes, and I had to deal with this kind of vengeful, vicious, angry, evil look used to haunt me for years, even after leaving them. It puts you in a state of paralysis and you feel like you can't move. You have no power here. This look is given to bury you alive. Check in with your body if you're getting triggered, because this is a little triggering video. So I recommend taking some space if you feel uncomfortable. Rage is the go-to emotion for a narcissist. Everything gets translated into it. They feel shame, they will show rage. They feel insecure, they will show rage. They feel sad, they will show rage. They start feeling guilt, they'll show rage. Everything comes down to rage. Why? Because it's projected on others and it gives them power, while as other emotions make them feel weak. That's why I call them an emotional zombie. They do not feel anything else except rage. The rageful look is given to demonstrate strength, power, and their dominion. They want you to know that you have zero power in their territory and they can do whatever they want to you if you do not comply, if you do not obey. And they want to tell you that you have messed with a wrong person and now you are going to face the consequences. Look number 3, and the most interesting one, the shapeshifters look. They may be smiling one moment, all bubbly, and the next moment when they look at you, that smile shrinks and you are looking at a poker face. You're looking at somebody who is extremely disappointed in you, who wants nothing to do with you. And the problem is that it's only you who can catch that. It's only you who can face that. It's like in an instant they change a mask. You can see them going from being happy-go-lucky to being really sad or vicious and passively angry towards you. It's like they can turn their emotions on and off. And that's true for them because they do not have any real emotions. If you have real emotions, you can't decide when you will feel them. You just feel them when things happen. But a narcissist feigns emotions, like when they have to make fools out of strangers. What would they do? They'll be really happy, caring, nice to them. Oh, and when they're with you in private, they know this is not what they need to do here. They do not need to put an act. They can be their real self. And what is their real self? Rotten to the core. Look number 4, annoyed with everything you say type of a look. It may go like this. They may take a deep breath and turn their head like this and put their hand over their eyes, as if they're annoyed to their death with you. They do not want to do anything with you. They can't tolerate you. Your words are vicious for them and you are making no sense, and as if you are this person who is only interested in creating drama and chaos, and they can't stand you anymore. This is what they tell you by putting on this mask of annoyance. That is so pernicious. That is so soul and spirit breaking because you lose your voice. This is how brainwashing happens. You're made to feel like a burden. You're made to feel like an idiot and a stupid who does not know what they're talking about. This look of annoyance may also be given with, turning their back towards you as if they don't want to do anything with you, which is the beginning of ghosting or silent treatment. They treat you like a wall or an object, not maintaining any eye contact with you, not talking to you, not eating what you have cooked, not eating, with your hands. You just need to know that they cut off all the personal connection in that moment, alienating you, splitting you, and treating you like you are their worst enemy. You learn to shut yourself down with time, because every time you open your mouth, this is the kind of disconnection you get to experience, and then you feel like, you have nothing else to offer, you only annoy them. That's what they tell you, that's what they convince you. Look number 5, the look that says you do not matter at all. They give you a big eye roll with one side of their mouth curled up, and they take a deep breath as well, as if saying, I can't be bothered less. You, what are you? Nothing. You're like a bug that I can walk over easily. You're like a doormat. Don't get me started. That's how they feel in that moment when they give you a big eye roll, when they dismiss you like that, when they throw you in a corner like some kind of trash, and when they give you that curl on the side of their mouth as if telling you, I am so disgusted right now. I am so ashamed of being associated with you. As if they don't want to even see your shadow. That's how they make you feel when giving you this look. Look number 6, and the famous one, smirk on their face. Like this. I'm sorry if I can't imitate it, but it's like their one part of the mouth is spread out to one of the sides, and they're looking at you like this with those predator's eyes, trying to stare into your soul or trying to tell you, I'm so satisfied to see you in pain right now, or that I wanted you to suffer, or I have made a fool out of you and you think I am a victim. You can be better than that. Or you deserve to struggle and to be in pain because you let me do this to you, so it is your fault. Smirk is the most evil look a narcissist can give you, because that clearly shows how deeply disconnected they are and how unloved you are. It shows that they have nothing left in them, that they are a soulless entity that only loves to feed off of your emotions. That was Look, number 6, let me know which one did you resonate with the most in comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, as always, let the healing begin and continue.